Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to install the OneDrive app on your Android mobile device step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Microsoft OneDrive ready to sync and access your important files, photos, and documents, all from your phone. Whether you need cloud backup for peace of mind or need to keep documents handy on the go, you'll be set up and ready to use OneDrive smoothly. Let's dive right in. To get started, let's make sure you're on your Android phone and connected to the internet. The very first thing you need to do is open the Google Play Store. You'll usually find its icon right on your home screen, or you can swipe up to your app drawer. That's the list of all your apps. The Play Store has a colorful triangle logo if you're not sure what you're looking for. If you haven't opened the Play Store before, don't worry, it's just like any other app. Tap on it and it'll load right up. Now, once you're in the Play Store, you'll see a search bar right at the top. Here, just tap and type in Microsoft OneDrive. Now, typing carefully matters here because there might be lookalike apps or unofficial options, and you want to be sure you're getting the real deal from Microsoft. Go ahead and search, and when the results pop up, look for the app called Microsoft OneDrive, and you'll want to make sure it says Microsoft Corporation as the publisher. That way you know it's the official app. It'll usually have the classic blue cloud icon. When you found it, tap on the app and you'll see the Install button. Go ahead and tap Install. The download size is fairly moderate, but depending on your connection speed, this might take a minute or two, so just be patient while your phone works its magic. If you're working with limited space, now is a good time to double-check that there's enough storage available on your device, but in most cases, this shouldn't be a problem. Once the download is finished, the Install button will change into an Open button. Tap Open to launch OneDrive for the first time. Now you'll see a welcome screen and be prompted to sign in. This is an important step. OneDrive ties everything to your Microsoft account, so your files stay private and accessible only to you. Go ahead and enter the email address and password associated with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, there's usually an option right there to create an account. It's free and only takes a moment. Once you're signed in, OneDrive will start syncing your files. This means photos, documents, or anything you've stored in OneDrive before, maybe from your computer or a previous device, will be right at your fingertips, ready whenever you need them. If you plan on using OneDrive for automatic camera uploads or easy document sharing, double-check the app permissions as you go, and allow any prompts for storage or camera access. These help OneDrive do its job, saving your files securely to the cloud. Quick note here before we wrap up. If you have a Samsung Galaxy device, especially one that's newer, there's a good chance OneDrive is already installed. Samsung often includes it as part of their Microsoft Apps folder on the device. If you spot it there, you can jump straight to opening that app and signing in. Saves you a little time, and that's it, you're all set. Now you can access, upload, and share your files from anywhere, right on your mobile. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions or ran into any tricky spots, just drop your question in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips just like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy your OneDrive cloud storage.